In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to predict capacity in ClickUp using workload views. First, open ClickUp and look at the left sidebar. From there, select Spaces. This is where your teams, departments, or projects live. Choose the space you want to plan capacity for, so everything you see in the workload will be relevant to that group. If you manage multiple teams, repeat this process in each space to get an accurate picture. Once you're in the space, open the view options at the top and switch to the workload view. This view brings together your people, their assigned tasks, and the time period you care about. It's designed to show who's busy, who has room, and when work is scheduled. Before you start analyzing, customize the view so it matches how your team works. Adjust the time range to daily, weekly, or monthly, and pick how capacity is measured, such as estimated hours or points. If you use estimates, make sure tasks have assignees, due dates, and effort values. That's what powers accurate capacity forecasting. You can also group by assignee or team to quickly see distribution across people. You can add a task directly from this view if something is missing. Create it, assign it, and set the due date or date range so it shows up in the timeline. If dates aren't set, the task won't appear in the workload window, so always add them. This is a quick way to fill gaps you notice while planning. To look ahead, use the date navigation controls. Jump forward to next month to get a big picture view of upcoming work, or switch to a 2-week window for a tighter planning horizon. If you're preparing a sprint or a short cycle, the next week view is perfect. These time presets help you zoom in and out quickly without losing context. Now let's forecast capacity. In the next week view, scan for anyone who appears overloaded. Depending on your settings, you may see indicators when capacity is exceeded. When you spot a bottleneck, rebalance by moving tasks to teammates with availability or by spreading work across days. Then look for days with extra room. Those are ideal for scheduling spillover or starting a new project. Use that insight to plan kickoffs on days when the team has bandwidth, not when they're already at capacity. That's it. By navigating to spaces, opening the workload view, customizing it, adding missing tasks, and using the date selectors to scan next month, this 2 weeks and next week, you'll confidently predict capacity and schedule work at the right time.